master at the helm there. Here we are on the good ship Stitch, and nice day, nice sunny day, and this is the first day of cleaning.
Right, the idea had been to do the cleaning pretty quickly and put the boat in the water and then get back to Gosport. But it turned out that the entrance to Christchurch Harbour at Mudderford hadn't been surveyed for a while, and there were no navigation buoys out there, and the locals were saying it was not a good idea to try and go out until the buoys had been laid. So this meant I had quite a bit more time on my hands than I thought. My main priority was to get the boat ready to do the Round the Island race, which was in July. Preferably do some racing before then, but that was the primary goal, so this isn't too bad delay. But this film that you're watching now was actually filmed at the end of February, so I had quite a long time fiddling around, and I didn't get the boat out until April. This is the attempt to fill and fair the keel. The keel had quite a lot of pits on it, made up of rust holes and also layers and layers of anti-foul. Some of it's come off. I did a bit of rust treatment with fur tan
Now I've put this 2-part epoxy filler on, which I will leave for a couple of days, come down and sand it down, and hopefully do a second round of filling to finish it off before some primer and anti-foul. So with a bit of luck, this will make for a much nicer underwater hydrodynamic surface. Okay, after 3 rounds worth of filling, we still haven't got ourselves a super duper fine foil here, but this is going to have to do for now. Really needs to be upright, because as you can see, this is far from the best place to try and fare a keel from, but it's come up better than it was. I mean, if you look back at the other pictures when it was still blue, it was pretty horrendous, so it ought to go better, but it's still not good enough. Tube up. It was wound round the wrong way first, so that the UV strip was on the inside, but now it's right. And the sail looks alright and rolls up nicely.